Did you do something stupid besides answering truthfully when your wife said, "Does this make me look fat?" Well, I did on my 7300 this morning. I was trying something new and tried using a tuner port to plug in my SWR meter, and next thing you knew, I heard a pop. So guess what that was? Yep, I'm hoping it's the fuse inside the 7300. So let's go to the bench and see if we can figure this thing out. We're on the bench here. I have it plugged into a power supply to show you here. Okay, I hit the power button, nada. And it's plugged in. I tried other cords, still nothing. You know how you do it. You just hope for the best and see what you got. So let's go ahead and unplug the power here. We're going to open this case up. First I have to take off these rails, which is going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Next we're going to take off the top, so just the top screws should be the only ones we have to take off. Make sure you set the screws somewhere you won't lose them. Okay, with the top screws removed, we should be able to look at all the screws on top. So I'm guessing these three and those two in back. Speaker should probably leave screwed in. And probably the one in the middle. But let's take these two on the bottom out and see if it pulls up without that one in the middle. That's probably a center support, so that's probably needs removed as well. Yeah. It looks like those speaker screws are holding it in. They're all the same screw, so it'd be okay to mix it up. There we go. Cover is off. We're off to the races. Fuse, 5-volt fuse right there. There's the power leads. There's a big fuse. Let's check the easiest one first, the 5-volt fuse. And it is blown. So that's good news. We found the culprit. It's a 5-volt fuse. It got blown. I got a pack here from Amazon. The fuses. Just need to find a 5-volt mini. There it is, 5-volt mini. Let's go ahead and plug it back in and see if it powers on. There we go. Good news, good news. While we're in here, we need to just inspect it, unplug it before you touch anything. For any dust or, it's pretty clean. Don't see no dust bunnies in there. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and you'll be good to go. Just don't plug anything that don't belong in those holes. This is Jason, KO4DDG, fixing the Icom 7300 blown fuse, 5-volt fuse. Thank goodness that worked. 7-3, y'all.